Hello students, welcome back to the next session. Myself Ashwini Zamdade, lecturer at Sanjivani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Kopargaon. In today's session, we are going to study the selection of dermatological vehicles that are bases for the preparation of ointment. From this session, you will be able to know the factors which governs the selection of ideal base for ointment preparation. The two factors are dermatological factors, that are skin related factors we can say. Then next are pharmaceutical factors which are related to drug or medicament. These are the two different factors which we are considering during selection of bases for ointment. Let us discuss one by one. First, let us see dermatological factors which are skin related factor or skin property are considered while selection of such type of bases. First is absorption and penetration. Now, absorption means entry into bloodstream, that is systemic circulation or systemic absorption we can say, whereas penetration indicates passage through the skin, that is cutaneous absorption. Means penetration is only passing into the different skin layers, while absorption is penetration into the such a extent that it goes into systemic circulation, or we can say blood stream. The ointment base penetrates deep into tissue of the skin along with the medicament, and which in turn allows the systemic absorption of medicament into blood stream. It is proved scientifically that animal fats like wool fat we can say and fixed oil penetrates more readily through the skin in comparison to mineral oil like paraffin. The substances which are soluble both in oil and water are most readily absorbed. So, such type of substances we generally use in preparation of base. The O by W emulsion bases release the medicament more readily than oleaginous bases or W by O emulsion bases. This is the first main factor which is considered while selecting a base or substances used in base. Then next factor is effect on skin function. The greasy bases may interfere with skin function like heat radiation and sweat excretion. They are irritant to the skin. The water soluble bases and O by W emulsion bases provides cooling effect rather than healing effect. This mixture readily with the skin secretion. This mix with skin readily. So the such type of bases that are O by W emulsion bases are more preferred when we consider the skin function. Then next factor is miscibility with skin secretion and serum. Skin secretions are more readily miscible with emulsion bases as compared to greasy bases. Drugs are more rapidly and completely released to the skin when we use the emulsion bases. Due to the reason, lesser proportion of the medicament is needed when emulsion bases are used. Means emulsion bases get mixed readily and get easily absorbed in the skin secretions, and so the drug concentration is also required in less amount, so it is more preferred base. Then similarly, O by W emulsion bases being readily miscible with serum from broken skin and very useful as an ointment base. Then O by W emulsion is also an option which we can select. Then let us see the next factor, that are compatibility with skin secretion. Generally, neutral ointment bases are preferable because they do not cause discomfort in use and are compatible with majority of medicament. Compatibility with medicament as well as compatibility with the skin is necessary while selecting any of the bases. The ointment basis should have the pH around 5.5, which is the average pH of skin secretions. Means the pH of skin secretion and the ointment base should match. Then next factor is freedom from irritant effect. Ointment bases should be non-irritant. The greasy basis causes irritation and may cause edema or swelling, we can say. The eye ointment must be non-irritant and free from foreign particles because this may cause the irritation as well as infection of the eyes. So, the non-irritant base selection is preferred. Then next factor is emollient property. Already you know what are emollients. Emollients are such substances which causes the softening and soothing effect on the skin. Then under normal conditions, continuous hydration occurs when which keep the skin sufficiently moist. As we drink water and due to high level of water in the body, the skin remains hydrated, and it is the main function of water for skin. Dryness and brittleness of the skin causes discomfort to the skin. Ointment base should have emollient property and should keep the skin surface moist and soft. So the selection of the base should be in such a way that it should moisten the skin as well as it should keep the skin soft. The next factor is ease of application and removal. The ointment bases used should be easily applicable and at the same time they are easy to remove from the skin. Stiff and sticky ointment bases are not suitable because they may cause damage to the newly formed tissues of the skin. So, the removal, the ointment base should be soft or they should have the emollient effect. The emulsion, particularly O by W type, are easily removable with the water. Then next factors are pharmaceutical factors. Pharmaceutical factors are those which are related to the medicament or the drug. Now first comes stability. Stability is most important criteria in any of the dosage form and it is also necessary in the case of ointments. The fats and oils obtained from the vegetable sources are liable to undergo oxidation. This can be prevented by incorporation of antioxidant in the preparation in desired concentration. Then O by W type of emulsion bases are more liable to microbial growth and needs to be properly preserved and proper preservative should be selected for the same. The emulsified bases are liable to phase separation due to improper formulation or due to temperature. In such cases also the proper preservative selection is necessary so that the preparation of ointment remain stable. Then next factor is solvent properties. Most of the medicament used in the preparation of ointments are generally insoluble in the ointment bases. For uniform distribution, it is necessary to mix finely powdered drug in the ointment base. The base consisting of the mixture of hard and soft paraffins, beeswax and lard are recommended for the phenols. Similarly, in the preparation of compound mercury ointment, olive oil is used to keep the camphor in solution form. Means the solubilization of the drug is necessary in any case. So the solvent properties or dissolving property we can say or solubilizing property should be proper. The medicament should be properly mixed in the base so it can give the proper and adequate effect. Then next factor is emulsion properties. Hydrocarbon bases can absorb only a small amount of water in comparison to animal fats, which can absorb a large quantity of water. For example, wool fat can absorb about 50% of water and when mixed with other fats can take up several times its own weight of water or hydroalcoholic liquids. So the emulsion property of the base which we are going to select or the animal fats which we are going to select should be proper. Then hence wool fat is included for the preparation of base meant for eye ointments. Means it should keep the hydration or water absorption property. Then last factor is consistency of the preparation. Ointment should be of suitable consistency. It should neither be too hard or too soft. The consistency of ointment base should be such that it should withstand wide variation in temperature condition. That means if it is summer, then the ointment should not become too soft, or it is winter, it should not become too hard. It should be easily removable from the container and should be easily spreadable on the skin. So this should be the factors considered while selecting any of the ointment base. This is all from this session. In next session, we are going to study the preparation methods of ointments. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.